Hello there, this is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento. Today I want to show you the interior of the 332 CBOK. This is a Jayco Eagle product. It's a 2023 model, and I love this floor plan for the openness. It almost is like a fifth wheel feel to it. So let's kind of walk around the inside and we look at some of the features of it. I like when you enter right away, you have a large couch that folds into a sleeper. Lots of windows on your non-door side, theater seating, small table. Directly across from the theater seating, you have a TV, a fireplace, and your stereo sound control system. Love this center island, this wooden island with the breakfast chairs. It's got kind of a rear kitchen feel. Corner kitchen. Really seems open and airy in here. Lots of drawers and counter space here, as you can see. Of course, your microwave and your Furrion cook range. Have a large pantry here. Really like this, all the drawers and cabinets. You have a larger refrigerator. This is a gas two-way refrigerator. Really expansive, so you can store a lot of food both in the refrigerator and the freezer. You're well appointed with a lot of light pendants all throughout the unit. USB chargers throughout as well. The table does expand. It opens up so that it's storage like so, or you can put the table down like this and it does expand. It does come with 4 seats. You have the 2 stationary chairs, and then you have 2 fold-up chairs that come with it that are stowed away underneath the bed. And then what's nice is you can use the table for storage as well too. Just really an open feel. This is the Jayco Eagle 332 CBOK. Walking around to the back, going into the bedroom. This is a rarity, wow. A travel trailer with a full-size king bed on a slide. Wow, boy, is this nice. Look how deep that slide is, providing for all that room and all the walk-around area around the bed as well. You've got another TV in the bedroom as well. Huge closet. And lots of drawers in the bedroom here. You could definitely spend a lot of time in this trailer. Wow, look at all that right there. All that space. So again, this is the Jayco Eagle 332 CBOK. Scan the QR code to check for current availability at RVs of Sacramento, or visit our website at www.rvsofsac.com. Thanks for watching again. This is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento.